Today's topic in suture material is going to be one of the most important and always confusing for students. Suture, whether it is natural or synthetic, absorbable or not absorbable. This one image which I am going to give is going to solve all your problems and is going to leave a long lasting memory. Hello students and welcome back to my channel Train with Brain Surgeon, and let's continue with our series Principles of General Surgery. So first question, which of the following is non-absorbable suture? Amongst the four options, I'll tell you the answer, but first let's see the image. So on top half of the image I have given natural sutures, and on the right hand side is a natural absorbable, and on the left hand side is a natural non-absorbable. Amongst all the sutures, if you remember only this, it will be sufficient for you to solve all the questions. So on this side, natural absorbable, you have to remember only one, that is catgut, and on this side, that is natural but non-absorbable, you have to remember only two, silk and linen. There is one rule which I am going to tell: all polys are absorbable as well as synthetic except only two, which are two, polyester and proline, that is polypropylene. So now the answer to this question becomes very easy. I told that only two polys you have to remember which are non-absorbable for your exam purpose. One is proline, that is polypropylene, and second is polyester. So the answer to this question will be A. Now second question. For this question I'll just tell you one rule: all naturally absorbable sutures are absorbed by process of enzymatic degradation, and there is only one suture which we know which is in this category, that is catgut. So catgut will be absorbed by enzymatic degradation, and rest all the suture materials, come what may, synthetic or natural but non-absorbable or delayed absorbable, will be absorbed by a mechanism of hydrolysis. So let's revise the two rules. All polys are synthetic and absorbable except two, that is proline and polyester, which are synthetic but non-absorbable. And second rule is naturally occurring sutures are absorbable by enzymatic degradation, that is example catgut, and rest all by hydrolysis. So I hope this video is helpful. Please store this image which I am showing again. This shall be helpful for solving all the questions. If these videos are helping, please do share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.